Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to our channel My Career Motherhood. I am Pratiksha and today I am back with a new video for you all. The video is basically based on cough and cold remedies for babies below 6 months. I have already uploaded 2-3 videos for home remedies for cough and cold, but this video is specifically for those babies who are below 3 months, who are below 6 months, because it's not possible to give medication to these babies every time. So we will just go on for this treatments, and you can without any hesitation apply this on your babies, very small babies, infants. So without wasting much time, I would like to start my video. But before that, I would also like to request you to kindly, if you watch my channel, if you like my channel, kindly like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends and families. And when you subscribe, you will get a small bell icon. Just hit that icon so that you get to know all the notifications as and when I upload my new videos. So let's get started with our video. So here I will be sharing with you remedies, because it's not possible for us to go to doctor every time with such small babies, and also preferably doctor will also won't like to give medications. So in this video I will be sharing with you few remedies. The first one is the breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the best thing you can give to your baby, because mother's milk is loaded with antibiotics. Your baby immune system gets so strong if you keep on breastfeeding your baby as long as possible. As per WHO, it's recommended to feed your baby for at least 2 years. So especially in this time, in case of cough and cold, just keep on breastfeeding your baby. Or in case your baby is not taking the breastfeeding, you can give him formula feed. What you have to do, you have to increase the number of sessions. Suppose you are feeding the baby for 8 to 10 times, just increase it by 2-3 more times, like 15 times around. And same with the formula. Maybe it is not possible for the baby to take the certain amount which he was taking earlier when he was not having cough and cold. So give him small quantity, number of times, so that he will be hydrated, because getting hydrated is most important for the baby. Otherwise the mucus will get stuck, he will have stuffy nose at this time. So the first thing is that breastfeeding, nothing is more important than that. This is my first remedy. My second remedy is that mustard oil remedy. The recipe of this mustard oil mix I have already shared in my channel. You can go and watch that. Again, I will be repeating in short. What you have to do, you have to take around 50 ml of mustard oil, half cup around, and in that you have to add 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and a certain amount of carom seeds. Just give them a nice boil until they turn dark brown. And when it gets lukewarm, just apply on your baby's palms, feet, back, chest, and back of the ears, and on fingertips. So this is one of my favorite remedy. You can just go through once. As soon as you get to know that the baby started sneezing, you can go for this remedy. The third remedy is that camphor and coconut oil mix. In this video you will see I am giving you so many oil mixes, and all are very good for your babies. What you have to do, you have to take a small amount of coconut oil, same half cup around, and in that you have to crush 3 to 4 cubes of camphor and give them a light boil. What will happen, all the properties of camphor will get induced in the coconut oil, and you can give massage with that to your baby. So this is the third remedy. The fourth remedy is that carom seeds pouch, or potli we say in Hindi, the carom seeds remedy. What you need to do in that, you just take a pan, take 2 spoons of carom seeds, we say ajwain in Hindi. Just roast them. When you will see the fumes of the carom, the smell is coming out, just take that carom seeds, the carom seeds are now nicely warm and hot. Just take them in a muslin cloth, make a nice pouch, and when your baby is sleeping, just keep that beside his head, so that the fumes of the carom seeds go inside and the air pathway will open, and the baby will be able to breathe very easily. This is also a very good remedy, but you can do this only after the baby sleeps. Before that you can't do, because here the baby will be running here and there and it's not possible to do. So once the baby is asleep, you can go for this remedy. Now my next remedy is that just make sure that when your baby is sleeping, his head is elevated, because if the head will be like this, it will be difficult for the baby to breathe. If the head will be elevated, the air pathways are open in this way, and the baby will be easily able to take the breath easily. Next remedy is the saline drop remedy. What you need to do is that this kind of saline drops are available in the pharmacy. It's very reasonable, around 30 to 40 rupees. You can get this in any pharmacy. Just say Nasoclear drops or anything as recommended by your doctor earlier. Just keep them, always keep them in your home. What I do whenever I give a bath to my baby, especially when I wash my baby's hairs with soap or shampoo, at that time, and I just put 2 and 3 drop, one drop of this Nasoclear drop in my baby's nose, and the baby is very much relaxed. In the same way, when the baby is having cough and cold, and at the time of specifically breastfeeding your baby, just put one drop of saline drop in both your baby's nose, and after that you feed your baby. In that way the baby will be able to feed nicely and won't have any problem. Otherwise it will be difficult for the baby to suck the milk because of blocked and stuffy nose. Now if you don't want to give this Nasoclear drop to your baby, what else you can do? You can take 1 cup of water, boil it very much, and then let the water get cools down. Then take 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it in water, and from that take a dropper and put a single drop of this saline water in both the nostrils of your baby, and it is same as we get in the pharmacy. So you can do that. Another thing we can do is that if you are a breastfeeding mother, you can take your breastfeed, and with the dropper you can put a single drop of your breast milk in the baby's nose. That is also a very wonderful remedy. My next remedy is that another remedy of oil, mustard oil infused with sendha namak. What you need to do, you have to take a half cup of mustard oil, add sendha namak in it, and give a nice boil. And when it gets lukewarm, again massage it with your baby's hands, feet, back, chest, and back of the ears. And this will also be very helpful for your babies. My another favorite remedy is that you can use vapor up for your baby. I will show you the vapor up. This is the vapor up which I use. This is Mamaearth vapor up, and this is very good. My experience with this vapor up is very good. You can also go for Vicks vapor up, and this vapor up consists of camphor, petroleum, and mineral oil. But the thing is that you can give this vapor up to babies above 3 months. Once 3 months, it's clearly mentioned that 3 months plus. This is a very nice vapor up. It is a very mild smell. The smell is not so strong so that the water from the eyes of the baby comes out, or it gives a itchy feelings to your baby. It is nothing like that. It is also 100% natural healing brand and first made safe certified brand. You can definitely go from the MRP of it is around 199, and you will definitely get, if you purchase it online, you will get it a discount somewhere or the other. And the other ingredients I would like to share with you is that it consists of lavender oil, peppermint, and eucalyptus. This is the best thing you can ever have when you are having cough and cold. So these things are very important. It also consists of coconut oil, tulsi oil. Again, tulsi is the best thing. Nothing can be better like this. So this thing you can go, I will show you again the Mamaearth. I hope you can see it. This is the vapor up. You can go give this to your baby. It is just rub it on the baby's chest and slightly on upon the baby's nose. Please don't put it inside the nose of your baby, please. It will be very burning sensation, though it is not so harsh or like that. So this is my next remedy. Another remedy which I would like to share is that coconut oil and tulsi remedy. Tulsi is the best Indian herb, or anything basil. Tulsi, we also say basil leaves. This is the best thing you can because it is considered as a medicine. What are the properties? Tulsi has antibacterial properties, antiviral properties, antibiotic properties. What you need to do, you have to take 2 or 3 spoons of coconut oil and 5 to 6 leaves of basil. Just crush the basil leaves and put it in the coconut oil and give it a boil. You will see all the properties of the tulsi will get into the coconut oil and it will give a very nice fragrance. You just need to take that lukewarm oil and rub it to your baby's chest, back of the chest, back, palms, feet, and like this fingertips. So this is one of the also best remedy for your baby. The next and the important remedy is the steam remedy. What you need to do, if you have a steamer at your home, just take that steamer, put the baby on your lap, make the baby sleep nicely, and put a steamer near it. Close the complete room and let the steam gets completely accumulated in the room. That steam is so good. The water should be really boiling. That steam, when it goes inside your baby's nose, it will clear the mucus, blocked nose, stuffy nose, and all the chest congestions will be released, and it will be very good for your babies. Just keep in mind that don't put hot water near your baby, and in case you are there, you please sit with your baby while doing this. Just make sure the baby don't touch the water. It will be harmful for the baby. So this is the thing. Or else what you can do is that you can go inside your bathroom, just on the tap, and really the hot water should be coming out of it, and just close the bathroom and sit with your baby in the bathroom for 10 to 15 minutes. Just repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day, and it will give your baby a very nice relief. And make sure the baby is not exposed to air after getting the steam. All the mucus will melt down after this process, and the chest congestion will be released nicely. It is a very nice remedy for your baby. Now my next remedy is saffron remedy. What we elders do when we get cough and cold, what we do, we just take 2 to 3 strands or 4 strands of saffron leaves, and give it a boil with the milk, and take this with the milk itself. But as babies are so small, before 6 months, it is not advisable to give saffron, because saffron has very hot properties. So it's better, what you need to do, just soak 5 to 6 strands of saffron and in water, and after some time, just give a nice paste and put that paste, rub the paste on your baby's head and baby's chest. It is a very good stimulating tonic for your baby, which will release your baby from cough, cold, fever, and chest congestion. This is also a very good thing. My next advice for you all is that whenever the babies get cough and cold, and whenever the winters are there, we as parents get so panicked that what to do, how many clothes we will put on our baby. We just feel like loading our babies with clothes. In that way, the baby will be not comfortable. He wants to feel light and cozy, and what we do, we put on jackets, sweaters, and so many things. So please don't do that. Just make sure you put the clothes in layers. In that way, the baby will be feeling better. What you need to do is, first thing you need to put inside is that a small cotton banyan type of thing in the baby, or a vest. Next, after that, a cotton t-shirt, and after that, as per the weather in which you are living, you just need to put a single sweater or jacket as required, a single warm jacket. Don't keep on loading the baby unnecessarily. Hair socks, a simple cotton socks is more than enough. In case the weather is too cold, you can give a baby a nice woolen socks and shoes. That is, let the baby play, run here and there, so that he will be relaxed. Don't get panic. It is better to keep the baby cozy, warm, healthy, and fit. My next remedy is that I will show you. This is a easy breath capsule. What we do when we adults get cold, we just take steam, and in that we add this capsule. You can get this in any pharmacy. You can go to any chemist shop and you can get this capsule. It's used, and its name is also not easily seen. Easy breath. I hope you see its name is Easy Breath inhaling capsules. Yes, this consists of eucalyptus oil, and eucalyptus oil is the best remedy for cough and cold, any kind of cough and cold. What you need to do in case of babies, when the baby is sleeping, just take one capsule, cut it, and put the drops around the baby's pillow, so that whenever the baby is taking the breath, the smell of this also goes inside, and the air pathways are clear, and the baby is able to breathe easily. So this is very good remedy and very helpful also. These are the things. Now my advice for you is that these are the home remedies which you can go for, but when you see the baby condition is getting worse, you please don't wait for more than 7 days. Just rush the pediatrician in case of anything like that you see, or before that, but don't wait for more than 7 days. 7 days are more than enough to see your babies whether the home remedies are working or not, though this will help you in any case. But in case not, please go to pediatrician and take the consultancy of the doctor before the things gets more worst. So this is my advice to you. Further, I would also like to share with you that in this point of time there is a loss of appetite in the baby. It means that the babies won't feel like eating anything. So please don't forcefully feed your baby. Let the baby be relaxed and eat whatever they want to eat. Basically in this time the baby would like to eat very liquid kind of vegetable soup. In case you are non-vegetarian, chicken soup, clear chicken soup is the best thing you can give to your baby, or very thin khichdi we say in Hindi, or any kind of that pancakes, soft pancakes you can give to them. You can give milk also, little warm milk. That liquid things will help the baby much more than you forcefully feed the baby. So please let the baby decide what they want to eat and what they don't. So these are the home remedies which I have shared with you. I hope you liked it. In case you liked it, please hit the like button and motivate me by sharing with your friends and family and subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned with my channel, and meet you again. Goodbye.